In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text and elements appear on click in Canva. This is a great way to make your presentations, lessons, or social media content more dynamic and engaging. Instead of everything showing up at once, you can control exactly when each piece of text, shape, or graphic appears, just by clicking through your slides. Start by opening Canva and selecting the design you want to work on. This could be a presentation, a video, or any design that has multiple pages or scenes. Once your design is open, choose the page where you want to add the click to appear effect. Make sure your text boxes and elements are already placed roughly where you want them to show up on the screen. Next, click on the text box or element you want to appear on click. You'll see a set of options, either at the top of the screen or near the element itself. Look for the option related to animations. When you click it, Canva will show you different animation styles. These include simple fades, slides, and more dynamic effects like popping or bouncing in. For this feature, what really matters is how the animation is triggered. Once you pick an entrance animation you like, look for the timing or animation settings, usually on the side panel. Here you'll see options for when the animation starts. Change this setting so it's set to appear on click instead of automatically. This tells Canva not to show that text or element until you advance the slide during your presentation. Repeat this process for every piece of text or element you want to control. You can have different parts of a sentence appear one after another, or build a diagram step by step. It often helps to name or organize your elements clearly, so you remember which ones you've animated and in what order they'll appear. Once you've set up all your click-to-appear animations, preview your design. Use the present or play button to see how your slide behaves. Click through slowly to check that each element appears at the right time in the right order, and with the animation style you intended. If something feels too fast, too slow, or distracting, go back to the animation settings and adjust the style or duration. When everything looks good, your design is ready to present or share. Now you know how to make text and elements appear on click in Canva, giving you much more control over how your content unfolds on screen.